Hi traders, in today's video I am going to explain everything about the Bollinger Bands for you. How you can trade trend, reversals, how you can combine it with other indicators to create great strategies or algorithms. Let's start.
What are the Bollinger Bands? First of all, let's understand what they actually are, what kind of indicators they are. They are created by John Bollinger in the 80s, and it consists three lines: the middle band, the upper band and the lower band. The middle band is a simple moving average, usually set at 20 periods. It is this easy. The upper band, this is the middle band plus 2 standard deviations, and the lower band is the middle band minus 2 standard deviations. It's this easy. Nothing to worry about here. It is not a very complicated indicator. So these bands help to visualize the volatility and the price levels of security, providing a dynamic range within which the price typically moves, and it is also great for support and resistance zones as well. First of all, why are they so effective? Why it is considered one of the best indicators? Let's see. The first reason is the volatility measurement. The Bollinger Bands adapt to the market volatility. When the market is volatile, the bands widen, and when the market is stable, the bands are very tight, they are contract. This dynamic nature makes them incredibly useful for identifying market conditions and potential trading opportunities. For example, if you notice that the bands are widening, it indicates increased volatility, which could mean a potential breakout, for example. On the other hand, when the bands are contracting, they are approaching each other, it signals reduced volatility, which might suggest a period of consolidation or ranging markets, and it is especially useful when you are creating trend trading algorithms and strategies, and I highly recommend to use it with other indicators like ADX, for example. The second reason is trend identification. The Bollinger Bands can help you identify trends. When the price consistently touches the upper band, it usually indicates an uptrend, and on the other hand, when the price frequently hits the lower band, it might signal a downtrend, because this indicator is great. It is working with volatility and with trends, and when your when the price of the instrument is always touching the lower or upper bands, it can mean trend opportunities or reversal signals. And we arrive to our third reason, and it is because one of the most powerful uses of the Bollinger Bands is spotting potential reversals. When the price moves outside the bands, it often signals that the security is overbought or oversold, that, for example, the Euro USD is either overbought or oversold, and it might be a reversal soon. For instance, imagine you are trading Euro USD and you see the price suddenly spikes up above the upper band. This could be an indication that the Euro USD is overbought and a pullback might be on the horizon. And of course, it can mean a continuation pattern as well, but with other indicators you can really have a good use of the Bollinger Bands and understand trends and reversals much better. Now, I want to give you some tips on how to use the Bollinger Bands with other indicators. For example, I would use it with RSI, MACD, and MACD in other words, and with ADX, and also one of my favorite indicators, the awesome oscillator as well. If you are interested in videos where I'm talking about all these other indicators in combination with the Bollinger Bands, just let me know. Also, you can adjust the settings. It is a highly recommended tip. Adjust the settings like the standard deviation and all the other periods to the instrument that you are trading on, because not every instrument needs the same settings. It is of course completely obvious. And also be cautious because of false signals, because like any indicator, the Bollinger Bands are not like foolproof. Always consider the broader market context, for example, and higher time frames to use proper risk management. So in conclusion, the Bollinger Bands are one of the most powerful tools in any EA, in any strategy. So I highly recommend to use them, and I also recommend to use a couple of indicators with it, or use very custom settings for the Bollinger Bands, so it won't generate as many false signals. If you have any questions about this unique indicator, just let me know in the comments, and if you're interested in more videos like this, let me know in the form of likes, views, everything. I hope you enjoyed this video.